Your friends see you posting workouts, sweating every week, but when you walk into a party, nobody even realizes you lift. You look the same as the guy who hasn't touched a dumbbell in years. And that's the truth most people don't want to face. Effort without the right strategy is wasted time. The good news? There are science-backed biohacks that make every rep, every meal, and every hour of recovery actually count. Let's break them down. Most people train way too fast. They chase rep numbers, not results. But here's the truth. Muscles don't count reps. They respond to how long they're under tension. So the biohack is simple. Slow down. Control the lowering phase, pause at the bottom, and drive up with intent. Doing 10 to 20 slow and quality reps will trigger more growth than 50 rushed ones. Usually when people hit failure, they stop. But your muscles aren't finished, your leverage is. That's why mechanical drop sets are so powerful. You start with the hardest variation, say decline push-ups. When you fail, you drop to standard push-ups. When you fail again, you switch to incline. No rest, non-stop tension. One set becomes 3 growth triggers, forcing your body to adapt. Let's talk recovery, because this is where most people lose their gains. You can train perfectly and eat clean, but if your sleep sucks, your growth stalls. Sleep is the real anabolic window. That's when growth hormone spikes, testosterone resets, and muscle fibers repair. So, treat sleep like part of your training. Keep your room dark and cool, cut the screens before bed, and if you need extra help winding down, magnesium glycinate works wonders. Soreness that lingers for days isn't a sign of hard work. It's a sign of wasted time. If you can't train again, you can't grow. Cold exposure fixes that. Just 2 to 3 minutes in a cold shower or cold plunge reduces inflammation and helps your nervous system reset. That means you recover faster, train more often, and stack more quality sessions into the same week. Now let's clear up the biggest nutrition myth. It doesn't matter when you eat protein. Your body doesn't just shut down muscle growth if you miss a 2-hour window. What matters most is consistency, hitting your daily target every single day. For most people, that's about 0.7 grams to 1 gram of protein per 1 pound of body weight. The key is getting that total number. Splitting it into 3 or 4 meals throughout the day is optimal, but hitting your daily target is the 90% that truly matters. Everyone talks about building muscle, but what really limits progress long-term is weak joints and tendons. That's why this hack is underrated. Taking collagen plus vitamin C about 30 to 45 minutes before training provides the raw materials your connective tissues need. That means stronger joints, fewer injuries, and the ability to actually train hard enough to keep growing. And the last hack might be the simplest of all: morning sunlight. 10 minutes outside within the first hour of waking locks in your circadian rhythm. That means better energy during the day, deeper sleep at night, and healthier testosterone levels, all of which add up to faster recovery and better muscle growth. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these hacks are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. Let me know. I read every single one. Most people think muscle growth is about grinding harder, but if that worked, everyone who trained hard would look jacked. The truth is, growth comes from working with your body's biology, not against it. These biohacks make sure every rep, every meal, and every night of recovery pays you back in visible results. Pick at least 2 of them, start today, and watch how fast people finally notice the difference.